Wow, Ken, look at the chandelier. This place is fancy. I feel underdressed.
It is very nice. Welcome to our hotel.
It is beautiful. But I keep forgetting, how do you say hotel in Japanese? Is it difficult?
No, it is very simple. It is Hoteru. Hoteru. This is a famous Hoteru in Tokyo. Hoteru.
Hoteru. That is just like English with a Japanese accent. Hoteru.
Exactly. Many modern words are like that.
Okay, I am tired from the flight. I just want to sleep. Where do I go to check in?
We need to go to the front desk. In Japanese, we call it Furonto. Furonto. Please go to the Furonto to check in. Furonto.
Furonto. Okay, I see the Furonto over there. There's a lady smiling at us.
Yes, she will ask for your reservation.
Oh, right. I booked this months ago. What is reservation?
This is a very useful word for travel. It is Yoyaku. Yoyaku. I have a Yoyaku for tonight. Yoyaku.
Yoyaku. Yoyaku. Okay. Hello, I have a Yoyaku.
Perfect. And she will ask for your name.
Name? That is basic, right?
Yes, name is Namae. Namae. Please write your Namae here. Namae.
Namae.
My Namae is Sarah. Simple.
She is typing. Okay, she found it. Whew, I was worried they lost my Yoyaku.
You worry too much, Sarah.
I can't help it. Okay, she is giving me something. It's a card.
That is your room key.
What is key in Japanese?
Key is Kagi. Do not lose your Kagi. Kagi.
Kagi. It sounds short and sharp. Kagi.
Yes, in the olden days, it was a metal key. Now it is a card key, but we still say Kagi.
Got it. And where do I use this Kagi? Where is my room?
Room is Heya. Your Heya is on the 10th floor. Heya.
Heya. That is easy to say. Heya.
Yes, your Heya is number 1004.
Wait, Ken. Before we go to the Heya, I need to ask something very important.
What is it? Are you hungry again?
No. Well, yes, but not right now. I need the internet. I need to post a picture of this fancy Hoteru.
Ah, you need the password.
Yes. What is password?
It sounds like English. It is pasuado. Pasuado. What is the Wi-Fi pasuado? Pasuado.
Pasuado. I love these English-style words. Pasuado.
Here it is written on the card.
Great. Now I can connect.
Okay, let's go up. Do you want to walk up the stairs?
What? No way. My sutsukesu is too heavy. I want the elevator.
Yes, I know. Elevator is erebeta. Erebeta. Let's take the erebeta to the 10th floor. Erebeta.
Erebeta. It sounds like elevator, but smoother. Erebeta. Ah, the erebeta is here. After you, Ken. We are going up. My ears are popping a little.
It is fast.
So, tomorrow morning, is there breakfast here?
Yes, the breakfast buffet is very famous.
Ooh, buffet. What is breakfast?
Breakfast is Asagohan.